What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the return of an absolute legend, a titan that once ruled the pockets of Wall Street power brokers and global business moguls. Yeah, we are talking about the undisputed king that once made Silicon Valley CEOs bow in respect. And right now, while the entire world is obsessing over folding screens and AI chatbots, the king is back in a completely reimagined avatar. This is not your average tech comeback. This feels like the high-octane climax of a blockbuster movie where the hero crashes through the front door. Right now, tremors are rocking Cupertino. Apple executives are literally holding midnight emergency meetings at Apple Park. Over in South Korea, the Samsung team is sweating bullets behind closed boardroom doors, asking one panicked question: how on earth did they pull this off? Brace yourselves, folks, because what we are looking at today goes way beyond what you thought was possible. Introducing the all-new BlackBerry Bold 5G. Yes, you heard that right. This is not just another smartphone, it is an absolute monster built to send shockwaves across the entire mobile industry, and it is already giving rival tech giants sleepless nights. Design. First off, let's talk about the sheer visual presence of this beast, because the moment you lay eyes on it, your jaw will hit the floor. BlackBerry has blended deep nostalgia with bleeding-edge modern luxury in a way that will turn anyone into an instant fan. Picture this: a royal matte gold finish wrapped in ultra-refined brushed metal textures. The second you pick it up, it feels less like a gadget and more like holding a royal scepter. It is insanely slim and lightweight. Slip it into your pocket and you will barely feel it, but pull it out in public and every single set of eyes in the room will lock onto you. Around back, you get a horizontal triple camera module that looks straight off the deck of a sci-fi starship. Sitting dead center is the iconic, historic BlackBerry logo, a status symbol that speaks for itself. This phone is a masterclass in Canadian industrial engineering, oozing pure luxury from every single angle. Display. Now, here comes the massive plot twist. That physical QWERTY keyboard you grew up with. It's gone. Say goodbye to the classic, tactile click-clack of keys, because BlackBerry has completely transformed its DNA. You are now looking at a mind-blowing 6.9-inch 4K micro OLED panel that rivals a high-end cinema screen. The colors are so unbelievably vivid that if a 4K waterfall plays on the display, you'll swear you're about to get splashed. Plus, outdoor peak brightness is off the charts, making direct, blinding sunlight feel like a walk in the park. Camera setup. Let's get into the ultimate weapon that has social media buzzing, the camera array. That triple lens setup on the back might look like the thrusters of a rocket engine, but its actual performance is even crazier. First up, you get a massive 200-megapixel ultra-vision primary sensor equipped with an f1.2 variable aperture. That means even if you are standing in pitch-black darkness with zero ambient light, this camera pulls in jaw-dropping clarity that makes night shots look like bright daylight. Next in line is a razor-sharp 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens that is wide enough to capture the entire skyline in a single, distortion-free frame. Then comes the 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, packing such insane optical reach that you could literally count the feathers of an eagle perched miles away on a distant mountain peak. And for all the selfie lovers and vloggers out there, BlackBerry packed in a 50-megapixel AI front camera delivering studio-grade portrait bokeh that looks like you've got a dedicated Hollywood cinematographer following your every move. You can officially retire that expensive DSLR, because you are now carrying an entire Hollywood production studio right in your pocket. Performance. So, what is driving all this raw visual firepower? Beating beneath the chassis is the most powerful mobile engine on the planet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 chipset. This isn't just a regular processor, it is the digital equivalent of a twin-turbo V12 supercar engine. Backing it up is a massive 16 GB of blazing fast LPDDR6 RAM. Go ahead, open 50 apps at once, edit 4K video streams, or run max setting sessions of your favorite mobile games, this device won't even break a sweat. Words like lag, frame drops, or freezing simply do not exist in this phone's dictionary. Powering the user interface is pure, optimized Android 17, unleashing the full potential of this monster hardware setup. Battery life. A powerhouse like this demands insane endurance, and BlackBerry went all out. Under the hood sits a next-generation 7000 mAh graphene battery. Graphene tech means zero overheating, zero thermal throttling, and absolute peace of mind, just pure, relentless power. Pair that with a 100-watt hypercharger. Think about it, In the time it takes you to grab a morning latte or listen to your favorite song, this phone rockets from 0% to 100%. Charge it once, walk out the door, and you won't need to hunt down an outlet for the next 3 days straight. Price and release window. After drooling over these specs, there is only one big question left: how much is this going to set you back? Get your wallets ready, tech fans. This ultimate flagship is slated to launch right around the $1,200 to $1,300 mark. Look, it definitely isn't cheap, but considering the cutting-edge tech, ultra-premium materials, and sheer exclusivity it delivers, the price tag feels totally justified. As for the timeline, circle your calendars, because this game changer is scheduled to drop globally in the final week of December 2026. So, that brings us to the ultimate showdown. Can BlackBerry reclaim the tech crown and take back its long-lost throne with the bold 5G? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are you hyped for this modern, full-screen rebirth, or will you always miss that classic clicky keyboard? Is this an absolute day one buy for you, or a pass?